Well, we have chose to expand our driveway. We live on a busy road, and this is all the concrete that we had, and we had this rock that's up here in front. We had it all the way around. We're one of the only roundy rounds on this road that we live on in Prescott Valley, and so reached out to Doug, Southwestern Custom Concrete, and he beat out some guys on some bids, and I enjoy working with him. And me and him actually did a lot of the rock together. He came out here by himself. So forms are going in today, and some tamping is being done. So I'll give you a little tour of it. There was a rock, and right here at the front where we come in and we turn this corner, we'd always kick the rock up onto here, and we were always moving the rock and exposing dirt. So we don't know how the people that did it before we lived here, but it was definitely bothersome to us. So decided after talking with Doug that we could go all the way to our other exit over here. So again, all of this rock came out and went on top of our culvert. So today is Thursday, and February 4th, and we started this yesterday and got this far. They're working on it today to get ready for concrete Monday. So some rebars drilled into the slab over here to connect the two slabs. Yeah. So that's what we got. This is exciting, Doug. I'm excited, man.
Good.
Gonna have a freaking concrete roundy round on Robert Road. That's not normal.
No.
I'm telling you, man, that YouTube channel you're watching is doing you good.
I stayed at Holiday Inn Express last night.
Oh, is that what it was? Alright, well, we got the time lapse that you were able to just watch, and the concrete pour went well. Robert Road is hectic, and that towards the end there, you know, some choice words were said from the drivers, and got it done. They got the truck out. One of the guys, his name is Patrick, he lives down the street, and he was actually kind enough to let the truck go down to his house and wash off, because otherwise I could have gotten a charge for them not being able to take care of their concrete truck right away. So right now what they're doing is shaping it up. They are trying to, I believe the word he used was bring up the cream. So he's got an edge trailer right now, so it's got an edge on it. They've been pulling the cream up all the way around and filling holes and filling voids, and using the whole assortment of tools that they got to start making it look pretty.
Do a snap line just like in framing.
Snap that one for me, Bubba. One more.
So this is the joint we were talking about. He is essentially making a controlled crack joint.
We'll get straighter and we'll get tighter.
Doug's coming behind him and wrecking all of his joints with a bull float, right?
Yes.
Bringing the cream back to the surface, right?
Correct. And wiping his line out.
And wiping his line out, making him cut it twice.
Yep. To be honest, we did everything like 15 times.
Yeah. Top head of his bolt float has a mechanism on it, so that when he twists his pole, it actually articulates his plate.
So when I'm pushing it, we're going to pull it. Lifts the top and the front up when I'm pushing it, and picks it back up when I'm pulling.
Does it start getting sticky?
Yes.
It does?
All right, so in our existing concrete that we had that he is mating up to, we had a chip in it. And so what he's doing right now is creaming in a chip. So he's pulling over some of his concrete and pushing it into that crack and giving it an edge.
Now I'm trying to pick a rock out because it was in the way. There we go. Let's see what she looks like now.
Charles, I guess, is magnesium.
Probably have to go the other way, Pat. Yeah, I'm going to cross it all up.
And this is steel. So it's got flex to it, and they're bringing the rest of the cream to the surface here, since they got their lines and their edges cut in. They mentioned crossing it up, which means they're going to Charles this way.
Go both ways.
Come over and probably cut. Here real quick is he had a big 4-foot brush over here, and he changed to a small one with a different bristle. So he didn't like the lines that the 4-foot was giving him. So he changed over to this other one to give him more of a bristle design, because well, we do have snow in this area, but not so much just for that, but it's just more what he's looking for, because the other brush was too light, and this brush is giving him a light medium. That's the way he's looking for.
right, this is the finished project. So we had about 600 square feet. I can't remember the yardage of it all. For fair and open information, with the price of concrete right now, the entire job, Doug and his company was able to do this whole job for $4,000. So this is what it looks like now, and I am very happy. This is about an hour after he's packed up and left, and the sun's on this side now, so we could actually see it. So I wanted to do a little bit of a walk around and then be able to give you guys a better idea of how the driveway works and our next plan when we get some more money or when we save up some more. So it allows us to be able to not swing so wide to over here, so we can kind of cut this corner a little bit. And he put a brake right here, which I think is smart, and tied everything in nicely. But here you can see that he actually bowed it out a little bit because of my truck, and he drives the truck too, so that's a little bit more room for not running off the edge of the concrete. So I really like the design idea on that and how that came out. Alright, well, we said we were going to end the actual video tomorrow with the concrete being more dry. That is a sweet truck. But we wanted to get this up and be able to send it off to Doug, so we're going to end it here. I'm sure we'll see some of this in the videos to come. But the concrete does look absolutely amazing. We think that Doug did a really good job, and we wanted to plug his name for it. His LLC here in Northern Arizona is going to be Southwest Custom Concrete. So also wanted to not forget he had some helpers with him, Jesse and Patrick. So I appreciate you guys. You guys did a killer job. My wife is super blown away by it. And I hope everybody that does see this gets to see your work and your company's work. So thank you very much for being a part of the family and getting this done.